Our prefabricated labor facilities are available in a selection of auxiliary structures, including K-style or T-style prefabricated houses and other prefab structures that can be quickly and easily assembled for offices, labor accommodations, and a whole variety of other purposes. We have constructed such buildings for governments, corporations, and even residential customers. The K-style prefabricated house is a modular system that is quick and easy to install. The product is constructed using an economical steel structure, and it is suitable for use in construction sites and other labor applications. The T-style prefabricated house is a high-quality product that uses expanded polystyrene, rock wool, or polyurethane sandwich panels for the external walls, internal walls, and roof. Its interior structure is formed using a steel frame. This product can resist both grade 10 typhoons and grade 7 earthquakes. Its life expectancy ranges from 10 to 15 years. Based on the needs of customers, we can provide 3D mock-ups of the outdoor and interior layout. Our houses are commonly used for construction sites, labor accommodations, and restaurants, among other applications. The prefabricated container house can be moved via hoist or a forklift. As a top-grade and lightweight structure, it can be the ideal choice of governments, military, and construction camps. Originally designed for use in Sudan, this type of house is suitable for mass production. Up to 1,000 sets of such houses can be produced by our company per month. Every 8 sets of 3 meter by 9 meter houses are placed in a 40-foot high cube container. As for appearance and function, this product is similar to our prefabricated container house, but it is relatively more affordable. The steel structure warehouse and workshop are manufactured using colored steel tiles or sandwich panels as roof tiles and wall panels. They also use structural steel H-beams to ensure a solid, stable, and wind-resistant structure. This product can function as a warehouse, manufacturing plant, workshop, and livestock housing. The prefab villa is made using rock wool sandwich panels for both the internal and external walls. In addition, it is designed with glazed tiles and PVC external wall panels to achieve an aesthetically pleasing exterior. Its service life varies from 10 to 15 years. Made using concrete panels for both the internal and external walls, this prefab villa is visually attractive, sturdy, and durable. It also features PVC panels for aesthetic purposes. The product can be used for 30 to 50 years.